The Mystery of the Moonlit Meadow. Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there was a beautiful meadow that glowed under the moonlight. This meadow was special because whenever the moon shone brightly, it turned into a magical place where flowers sparkled like diamonds and the grass twinkled like stars. A little girl named Lily and her dog, Sparky, decided to explore the woods near their house. As they wandered deeper, they stumbled upon the mysterious moonlit meadow. The moment they stepped into the meadow, everything around them started shimmering. Lily and Sparky were amazed by the beauty around them. They noticed a path made of glowing stones that led to a big, ancient tree at the center of the meadow. Curious, they followed the path and reached the tree, where they found a small, shiny box. With a gentle touch, Lily opened the box and found a note inside. It read, "In this magical meadow, kindness is the key to unlocking its secrets." Confused but eager to unravel the mystery, Lily thought for a moment. She remembered something her grandma always told her: kindness is like magic, it can open doors you never knew existed. She turned to Sparky and said, "Maybe the secret is to be kind." So, they started picking flowers and arranging them around the tree, making it even more beautiful. They smiled and said kind words to each other and to the creatures they met in the meadow. Suddenly, a soft glow surrounded them, and the tree began to sparkle brighter than ever before. The ground beneath their feet rumbled gently, revealing a hidden door. Lily and Sparky opened the door and found a chest filled with magical books that glowed with wisdom and wonder. Each book contained stories of people doing kind things for others and how it made the world a better place. They realized that the real magic of the moonlit meadow wasn't just its sparkling beauty, but the kindness they shared within it. Lily understood that being kind to others could unlock the most incredible and magical things in life. From that day on, whenever the moon shone brightly, Lily and Sparky would visit the meadow, spreading kindness and enjoying the magic that blossomed from their good deeds. The moral of the story: kindness is like a magical key that can unlock wonderful things in our lives.